Hi, this is Chad Manning from Nel Pretech Corporation. Does your company currently manufacture a legacy part, but you don't have a CAD model in order to make design changes? Or perhaps you have a prototype, but you don't have a full parametric CAD model in order to get from the prototype phase to the manufacturing phase? Or maybe you have a one-of-a-kind part that's been damaged and you need it to be replicated. These are just three areas where reverse engineering services from Nel Pretech can help you. Typically, there are three phases to the reverse engineering process. The first phase is the data capture phase. In this phase, a 3D scan of the part is performed. There are a few different tools that Nel Pretech has at its disposal to accomplish this task. The right tool for the job is decided on a case-by-case basis and is selected during the quoting process. The first of the data capture options is industrial CT scanning, which uses X-rays to capture high-resolution 3D imaging of the object. The other option is blue light scanning, which uses structured light to accomplish this task. The second phase in the process is CAD model creation. After the dataset is captured digitally, the point cloud is converted into a high-accuracy STL file. The file is then imported into our specialized reverse engineering software where the CAD modeling begins. Depending on the needs of the customer, a simple non-parametric scan-to-CAD conversion can be created, or a fully parametric, history-based CAD model can be designed. Finally, in the third phase of the reverse engineering process, the model is checked for accuracy. This can be accomplished through a scan-to-CAD deviation color map analysis. Any design changes, additions, or tweaks can be made during this final phase. Now that you've seen our reverse engineering process, contact Nel Pretech Corporation today for your next project.